Well, hello. I'm here to walk you through some of the additional features in accessing your new voicemail system. Let's go ahead and dive in. Now, the neat thing about it is that you can actually access your voicemail from a website. So what that means is that you don't even have to be in your office to check your voicemail messages. So let's practice on how to do that from your computer. Okay? The most important thing to remember is that you won't be able to access your voicemail system from Google Chrome. So not this one right here. You're not going to be able to do it. But the Aura voicemail system, which is what the name of it is called, uses a thing called Flash Player. It's not going to work on Google Chrome at all. So alas, that means we have to use Internet Explorer. So this is going to be the web browser that you're going to need to access to be able to listen to your voicemail messages from your computer. Here's the web address right here where you're going to go to. It'll be typed up right there. To create a bookmark in Internet Explorer, what a bookmark basically is, for those of you that don't know, it's a fast way to access different websites so you don't have to type in the information later. I already have one for the voicemail, but I'm going to show you how you can make one as well. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the upper right hand corner. We're going to click on this star right here. So we click on the star, you see I've got this menu that pops up. Now once this menu pops up, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click this button right here that says Add to Favorites. So once I do that, you've got this menu that has now popped up right here, and we're going to say Add to Favorite. Well, right now it says certificate error navigation blocked. Well, that really doesn't tell me what it is. So I'm going to change it to phone VM for voicemail. Okay? So that way I know when I look at it, it's my phone voicemail. And when I go create in, right now it's just created in favorites. I don't want it there. I want it to show up on my cool little bar right there. And so I'm going to select favorites bar. Once I do that, then I click on add, and boom. There you see. Now I have it right there for easy access. Gets me faster, and there we go. It's a lot easier this way. What you see here is, we look up here, you see you've got this web browser, this URL is a bunch of numbers. Well, normally, when you put in your address bar, you type in www.google.com, and that takes us to Google. Well, when we typed in our URL, we put in a bunch of numbers to represent that you're logging into what's called your Internet Protocol or IP phone. Just like we type in Google to get to Google, we're typing in those numbers to get and log into your phone. The web browser gets confused because it thinks it wants to go to the company called Avaya, which is the one that makes your phone. And so it's like, hey, what are the words? What am I supposed to do? It's telling you, but we're putting in numbers instead of those words like avaya.com. So that's why you're getting this error message. It's okay. I promise it's okay. Click on this continue to website not recommended. The web browser is saying don't go there because it could be wrong, but we know that this is the correct site that we want to go to. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue to this website. As you can see, we're now here. It's what's called the Avaya Aura messaging. Aura is the actual name of the voicemail program that we use. Your mailbox is your extension. Mine is 313, so I'm going to go ahead and type in 313. You're not going to know what my password is, except my password I'll tell you. It's ... So once you've typed in your mailbox and typed in your password that you set up on your phone, all we have to do is just click on log in. And here we are. I have no voicemail messages, but this is how you would go and you could play your messages. So you got your icon over here to click and play your messages. You can even call someone from here. You'd have to have a microphone as you're hearing me speak to you right now, but it would be internet over phone call. So basically what we've shown you today is how to not only create a bookmark, but how to access your voicemails online. Okay? So this same process can be done from your cell phone, from your tablet, from any other kind of smart device that you might have available. Play with this. Try it out. There's a bunch of really cool preferences in here, but go ahead, play around with it, look around, and just see what some of the preferences are that you can do with this phone.